Hey guys, so today I will be trying to quiet down my SI. It's 2012 Civic Si. I've got a 3-inch catback KTuned exhaust on it. And while I love it, I love the sound it makes, sometimes I just want to go on a peaceful drive without the thing giving me a headache. So I bought a silencer and had to modify it to fit because it wouldn't fit the exhaust. And while it works, it's a little too restrictive. There's no sound, drives just fine, but it has no power now. So I'm gonna see if I can find just a perfect medium where it's not too loud, not too quiet, and it doesn't impede the performance, because that's no fun. So I've got the phone and the decibel meter on here, exactly 14 inches from the end of the exhaust, and it's about 16 inches higher than the exhaust. And I'm gonna start it up, let it start and idle for a little bit, and I'm gonna run it for exactly 2 minutes to make sure that the cold start doesn't take any effect into it, because the car's cold. So once the car warms up, I'm gonna see what we get decibel wise over a minute or two, and then put the silencer in that I have that somewhat works. We're gonna see what the decibels are at, and then I will make a second version of the silencer and see where we're at then, just to compare. So my idea is, for this silencer, what I'm going to do is I have an exact 3-inch pipe, and I'm going to cut this pipe probably somewhere right here, and then cut this pipe at the exact same point, and then I will weld this with my idea instead of this one, and see if it works. I'll just tack weld it. If not, I'll cut it off, weld this one back, and use this for a while, because my idea of creating this flange for here did not work. I just finished welding this, and I know it looks pretty sketchy, but don't worry, it's hopefully gonna work out. So there's a few, like 3 tacks on there. Should hold it for the duration of the experiment. And if you look down it, I don't know how good the light is, there is 1/2 piece here. Ooh, that's hot, it's still hot. And then 1/2 piece there. So all I did was basically draw a circle, cut half of it out in metal, weld it down here, and at the end of the pipe I have it up here. So in theory, the air should go in, down, and out. I don't know if that's gonna do anything to the sound, so it's all an experiment. So this is the final audio test of the exhaust silencer. So it's fully welded up. I got some new holes in the pants for that one. Finally welded up. It's bolted in like I usually bolt it up. It's tightened pretty well down. So the car's cold now, so I'll do the cold start, and then once it warms up in 2 minutes, or I'll give it 2 minutes, and I'll rev it to 2K and 3K.